Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup export presets so you never lose deliver settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To ensure you never lose your export presets, it's essential to create backups regularly. First, open your video editing software. Navigate to the Preferences or Settings menu. Find the section dedicated to export settings or presets. Locate the export presets you wish to backup. Select the presets you want to export. Look for an option that allows you to export or save these presets. Choose a destination on your computer where you want to save these files. Give the backup file a recognizable name for easy identification. Click on the Save or Export button to complete this step. Now, let's move to importing your presets back into the software. If you ever need to restore your presets, return to the Preferences or Settings menu. This time, look for the Import option related to export settings or presets. Click on the Import button. Navigate to the location where you previously saved your backup file. Select the backup file and confirm the import. Your previously saved export presets should now reappear in the software. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, check if the settings are intact. Regularly repeating this backup process can safeguard your valuable settings. Consider setting a reminder to perform backups periodically. Doing so will provide peace of mind as you continue your video projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.